Hey guys, Konamore Railfan 6311 here with a new Railfanning tutorial. This time it is how to find railroad frequencies to put into your scanner. Just as an example of what you would type, I will type state railroad frequencies, as it's really simple to find once you type your state, but I do not know if this will work for Canadians. Let's start simple with Pennsylvania frequencies. Once you hit enter, the first thing that will pop up is the site Radio References. Go ahead and click that website as it has pretty much every railroad scanner frequency you can think of. As we scroll down, you'll see all the main lines in Pennsylvania, mainly Norfolk Southern channels like the Konamore line, but there are also Class 2 and 3 railroads like the Bessemer that have frequencies you can tap into. We'll try some other states like Maine for example. They'll have the same thing as the Pennsylvania frequencies. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I will be back from college for spring break, so more neat train action from me is coming. Have a good day now.